What's good, family? Today we have an action-packed video that has everything to do with Yeezy, from the 2 pickups that I had on the first batch of releases to the fact that there's 2 more drops that they're gonna be doing with Adidas and Yeezy. After that, it's finished. Finish him. All that coming up in this video. If you guys do end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what else y'all would like to see content-wise. While you're down there, leave a comment letting me know if you picked up anything from Yeezy Day or did you take all L's. I don't really want to waste too much time, so let's open this first box. I was really particular with what I was going for on Yeezy Day because there's a lot of shit going on monetary wise for me, and I just didn't feel like it was a smart decision to go balls to the wall for hella sneakers, knowing that I'll probably end up wanting to keep them. Don't really need them, you feel me? I already have like 4 pairs of 350s. Didn't really feel the need to spend racks on Yeezy. First up in here, we do have a new pair of slides. Did end up going for most of the slides. I went for these, the Azures. I don't remember if there was another colorway, but I hit on these. Yeezy slides, size 9 in the Onyx colorway. Now this is tricky, bro. If y'all want to see a size comparison between these and the old version, let me know in the comments. Y'all can see how crispy these looking compared to this pair, bro. These shits ain't even shiny no more. Low-key finished. If y'all want to see a size comparison between the two, go ahead and let me know in the comments. I could definitely make that happen for y'all. I've been hearing that sizing and consistency still are a thing with the Yeezy slides, so a lot of y'all might be dealing with the same thing where y'all ended up sizing up. They might be too small, too big, depending on the way your foot is. For me, I feel like sizing down is perfect. I like the snug fit on my slides. I don't really want them to fit too big. So yeah, I think these work for me. Onyx Yeezy slide, size 9. Mind you, I'm a 10, 10.5. And it's crazy because a lot of people were saying size up on these. I really don't think so, but that's just me, you feel me? A lot of people like their slides to fit humongous. That's not my cup of tea. First pickup, Yeezy slides. If I'm being honest, I hit like 2 out of 3 or 2 out of 4. Ratios weren't that bad. This pair right here, honestly, wasn't even in my size. Kind of sick about it, but when I went on the app, they weren't even available in my size. Kind of an L, you feel me? But hopefully I could size swap these at the mall, and I'm not just sitting on these for a minute. But we do got some 350s right here. Before we continue, let me know in the comments what pair you think this is. Is it a V2, V1? Let me know in the comments. If you guessed Yeezy 350, you were right. Y'all could see the size, bro. 6.5 on these. When I went on the app, there was literally a 6.5, 7 or below. I was sick. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad I have these in hand to show y'all, but I just wish these were my size, bro. Like, I hit the mall today on Instagram. I'm following them and shit. They said they would size swap for me, so I'm kind of gassed, but these aren't my size and I'm kind of sick, bro. These are beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is damn near what started it off for Yeezy and Adidas. I love this shoe. I've never held it in hand. Even though it's not my size, bro, I love these shits. Like, I really need to swap these for my size because it's one of those sneakers that I could see myself using an endless amount of times. Y'all already see the vibes on these. Pirate black Yeezy 350s, the OG joints. The fact that I'm holding these right now is everything. We also been hearing some of these pairs coming with mold. Luckily for me, I didn't get the moldy Swiss cheese joints. We got the regular, not smelling moldy pair. Honestly pissed they aren't my size. At least I already spent the initial price on this, so if I go size swap them, it's not gonna feel like I spent 300 or whatever. It'll just feel like I'm spending that extra fit. I don't know, bro. It's psychology. Definitely do need these, bro. Let me know if y'all hit for retail. I hit, kinda. They not even my girl size, so it sucks butt cheeks, bro. This right here is a very important sneaker for Kanye with Adidas. I believe it was the 2nd colorway he released. This was after he released the Turtle Dubs. It's just one of those sneakers you want to own to complete the legacy from Kanye and Adidas, especially being that they're never gonna drop these again. Just like the Yeezy 750s in the pirate black colorway, I feel like these go hand in hand, bro. I definitely gotta get these in my size. Having both of these in the collection is a must. Did you hit on your size for retail or did you take an L? Let me know in the comments. But those were my 2 Yeezy Day pickups. There was way more shit I could have went for, like a bunch bunch of different 350s, the Onyxes, Dark Belugas I had the chance to enter for. I honestly wasn't even pressed. I went for what I wanted to go for and I just got up out of there. Unfortunately, given I didn't get my size for one, but at least I do have them. I'm gonna see if I can swap them because I really do want these in my size. That's what we got so far. I am gonna talk about the fact that this is the first drop out of 3 releases that there is gonna be for Yeezy and Adidas. As we know, they said there was $1.3 billion worth of merchandise they basically had to liquidate or sell in order to complete this whole Adidas Yeezy shit. In that first drop, they basically made $200 million, meaning that there's still almost $1 billion worth of products that we haven't seen. Kanye made $25.5 million in one day, bro. Like, that is unheard of. Like, that is beans, bro. There's a lot of shit yet to release. I feel like they're gonna be done by the end of this year. We don't know everything that's gonna release as of yet, but I am gonna talk about what I feel like is gonna drop. Before we get there, I do want to say that my brand NORI did launch, and I'm actually gonna be closing the website within 24 hours of this video releasing. So if you guys want any pieces that are listed on the website, use the promo code SUB15 for 15% off. Click the link at the top of the description and check that out because it does help grow this channel. We have been seeing a couple pairs circulate, like the Granite 350 V2s. These were supposed to release before they gave Kanye the boot, and apparently they're still gonna drop. I've been hearing June 24th as a date for these. Honestly, nothing is set in stone. Whenever Adidas chooses to release these, it will be kinda in a batch type situation with a bunch of other pairs. I don't think they'll be doing separate release dates for these sneakers anymore. There's probably gonna be 3 different big ass drops, kind of like the first one we saw, including this Granite. Let me know if this is a cop or a drop for you. Are y'all tired of 350 V2s? I kinda am. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I do feel like this is a clean pair though. If y'all want these, they should still be dropping. We also do got the Yeezy basketball knit in the slate onyx colorway. Honestly, I was never really a fan of the basketball Yeezys. A lot of people do say that they're comfortable, but these are almost leaning towards that new wave of Kanye sneakers with the no sole, big ass sock type vibe. And I'm not really a fan, bro. Like, this isn't for me. I'm not really out here hooping, you feel me? Ball isn't life pause for me, so it's really a sneaker that I could give a less about. Let me know if this is one that you're gonna be copping. Are you planning on hooping in these bitches, or are you just gonna wear them casually? There's the 350 V2 Dark Salt, which is another pair that we kind of saw circulating before he got the boot, you feel me? This is a pair that was already in production, a little bit different with that MX style design on it, but it's nothing really special in my opinion, nothing that I'm gonna be going for on release day. Let me know if this is a cop or a drop for you. Now, the Yeezy Slide Granite is something that I could get behind. I'm fucking with the black Yeezy slides. I had to double up on those, you feel me? So this Granite colorway being a little shade lighter is gonna be one that I try to go for. At the retail price of $70, you just can't go wrong. From comfort, wearability, ever since I got them, I've been wearing them every day. So I definitely want to try and get as many pairs out of the ones that I like as possible, so that if these shits never release again, I know I'm stocked for a couple years type shit. That's what I'm thinking. These are a cop for me. Let me know if y'all going for just slides strictly. That's kind of the type of vibe I'm on. If I see a pair that I like, I'll go for them. Like these right here, I need these in my size, bro. If y'all trying to bless me, I would deadass pay like $70 to get these traded for my size. Like, I just want my size, bro. I need a 10.5 immediately. There's also the Yeezy 700 Utility Black. Normally with Yeezys that have simple colors to them, you could wear them all the time. Comfort is there, style is there, and when the colorways are hitting, you feel me, they hitting. Might be a pair that I consider going for. I don't know yet, because I do already have these. I don't really know if I need this same shit again with the gum bottom. Like, we might be good on those, but if y'all gonna be copping, let me know in the comments. We got the Yeezy Slide MX Cream. This is basically the cream Yeezy Slide with these marbleized gray patterns type vibe on it. Almost like they dip dyed these bitches, and this is how they turned out. I don't think it's too bad. Might be a pair that I end up going for. Haven't decided yet. I'm more so like those monotone, simple slides. These are a little more loud for my liking, but $70, you feel me? $70. That's all I'm thinking about this whole time. $70. They're also gonna be dropping the MX Moon slides, which is basically the same shit with the black and gray. I definitely definitely like the gray color way more. If I were to go for one out of those two, it would definitely be this one, because I like the fact that it's just black, white, and gray on it rather than brown, cream, gray. You feel me? Like it's all over the place. This one's definitely more solid, and it's a pair that I will be going for if they do decide to drop these. The last Yeezy slide we've been seeing circulate lately is the Dust Rose colorway. This is one that I need to get my hands on. I don't have any dark brown Yeezy slides, haven't had any yet. My girl actually has a pair and them shits be looking clean, so I'm gonna have to try and go for these if they do release. Out of these 4 Yeezy slides, which ones are y'all gonna be going for? For me, it's the Granite, Dust Rose, MX gray color. I could really care less about the MX beige. The other 3, fire for sure. We got a couple more pairs that might release. The Yeezy 700 Sulfur Yellows. These are actually pretty clean. I feel like that black outsole with the yellow actually hits. It's something different. I don't normally see this color yellow on a sneaker, period. So this is a different tone to add to the palette as far as sneakers go. Don't know if I'll end up going for this one, but I can appreciate the concept and the way these possibly will be looking on feet. I just need them to restock the Wave Runners again, because my shits are looking a little beat, and that might be a pair that I would love to double up on. We do got the Cinder Reflective 350 V2s, predominantly black with a little bit of gum on the outsole. You just can't go wrong with these right here. If you're looking for an everyday beater sneaker, boom, let me know if y'all gonna be copping these. Probably a pass for me. I already have 2 black 350s, don't need another one. There's the MX Blue 350 V2s. Does add a little bit of color to that 350. It's one of those things like, do I really need them? Do I really need them? I got my blue tints on deck. If I were to have these, I would probably just want to wear these type shit. I don't really need them, bro. I would skip on the MX Blues. Let me know if it's a cop for you. Slight bars. I would just rather have my blue tints. You don't see a sneaker with this baby blue on it pretty much ever, so I really love these right here. Those are actually pivotal for me, because when those dropped, I didn't really have too much money. I kind of saved my coins to get those. And the last sneaker we have in this video isn't even a sneaker. It's a motherfucking boot, and that's the high res Yeezy 1050s. These shits are sexy, bro. I don't care what nobody say, these shits are beautiful. I need them in the collection. If they have them in multiple colors, we gonna have to pick and choose. Low-key, I've only seen this high res pair, and to say the least, I need them, bro. If they dropping, I need them. I love the vibe and aesthetic that Yeezy brings with his boots. I'm not talking about the socks he's been wearing lately. I'm talking about the actual boots. Like, I need the desert boots to this day. To this day, I need the desert boots, bro. Those are sexy. These right here are looking clean too. I low-key saw the military boots, and I might do a continuation to this video with some leaked pairs. Shout out to all the pair that we might also see dropping. If y'all want to see that video, get this one to 100 likes. Go down there right now, get this video to 100 likes, because there's a lot more pairs that I could put into a compilation. Get it to 100 likes and we'll do a part 2 talking about the rest of the leaks that are out there. I low-key got to do some searching on the internet, get all them shits together. But go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what else y'all would like to see. If y'all trying to support my brand NORI, it's gonna be live for 24 more hours. Then the website's gonna be officially down for production. Use the code SUB15 for 15% off and show some love to your boy. Make sure y'all check out this video right here, because YouTube is recommending it. You see that little face right there, little icon? If you click that, you can subscribe to the channel for free, bro. It's for free, dead ass. We giving that shit away for free, bro. Just subscribe right here, click this video, and I'll catch you there. Have a great rest of your day. I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace.